Work from home style. We need to keep this simple. We need to keep it comfortable, and we need to keep it something that is easily transformable. So my base layer is a white t-shirt and a pair of very easy leggings. They have the versatility of a white t-shirt, and I can play it up depending on hour to hour as my role changes, from school teacher to businesswoman to cleaner to whatever else I'm doing. I can throw my blazer on top of this, collar apart, and I'm ready for my call. Throw on a hoodie, and I am now ready for playing outside with the kids. Buy something with a good mix of Lycra and nylon. That mix will make sure they do not bag, they do not sag, and you are at your most comfortable.
So since we're all staying home to stay safe, I don't know about you, but it's really affected my wardrobe situation. Basically, I only wear pajamas now. And I thought I'd give you a few tips that we can all use while we're at home. Tip 1, try a trend. Now, trends can be hard to try out there in the real world because you feel kind of judged and it's embarrassing. Now, in the privacy of our own homes is a great time to experiment with bold trends that may have intimidated you before. So a good example of this is power clashing. So here's this dress. It's, kind of a bold print. We've got dolls in a pool. I'm gonna take this gingham blazer, just toss it over, because why not? We're home. It doesn't have to just be two super bold, crazy prints in your face. You can have kind of like a hint of a print, if you will, peeking out from under something else that's totally different.
This is literally happens to me every single day. I'm too busy with the kids, I'm cooking, I'm cleaning, I'm feeding, I'm homeschooling, God help them, and I realized I have a conference call in like 2 minutes. Step 1, moisturize. You need to have hydrated skin. Liven your skin up and always sweep up. I would recommend a concealer. A concealer will just give you that appearance of an even base. So I'm applying it on my hot spots. The triangle shape under the eye. Please make sure you wash your hands before you do this. Next, base. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then I'm gonna buff this in. Trick, take an easy pencil, do short upward motions in the direction of the brow. I am a big fan of a liquid eyeliner. Go upwards with it from the exact, literally try and join it with the brow. Pop a bit more, a little bit of a blush. 1, 2, pat, pat, pat. Dial me in.
So if you're anything like me, it's impossible to eat something and then not have the evidence somewhere on your person. The best possible stain remover is something that we really all have in our kitchens, and it is dish soap. I'm not kidding, it really works. I'm gonna put some dish soap right on a sponge and kind of rub it in. You don't have to do like a hard scrub, but you could do a little push. It's been about 30 minutes with the dish soap sitting on it, so I'm gonna rinse it off, just right under the faucet, giving it a good wring. And I'm going to set it out to dry. The stain is no longer with us. Yes.
John and I have been working on our philanthropy, like where the dollars should go and how to do it. I know you have a philanthropic project going as well. Tell us about it.
We've been, between all the other jobs we're all doing, it's more important to be giving back to those incredible frontline responders. So Mill Maker, we decided for one of the days that we were going to give 100% of all of our, every dollar that was spent has gone 100% back to the fund. And thanks to so many amazing people, we got $106,000 in one day that went straight back to the fund. Yeah, it was amazing. It was so satisfying, heartwarming, and just brilliant to see how people want to help. And from that, we've launched a big campaign called Beauty United with 40 other beauty founders. And we're all banding together to create this great fund. It's a GoFundMe account. People can go on to Beauty United and donate to give back to the first responders.
Rach, we have to go buy some beauty stuff and get on this, right?
It's a win-win, right? It's a win-win.
All over it. Thank you, ladies, so much. Thank you. Yay!